G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Christian here at Jono Johno. Now today I'm going to be running you through one of our brand new products from the very first unboxing. So if you want to see what that is, stay with me. Alright, so this bad boy right here is our brand new Hurricane Smart Log Horse. Now the box is a bit bland, but I'm sure what's inside is a real beauty. Now the smart name, we'll come into it a bit later. I'll show you exactly what makes it smart. So let's crack her open, shall we? Alright, so first of all, to open up the box, you want to grab yourself a box cutter. So let's start with that, shall we? Make sure you put the box cutter away safely. Now let's get her open. Now I did have a feeling that this was going to be our Hurricane Blue. And sure enough, it is our Hurricane Blue, which is really nice. Alright, so first impressions. The heavy duty steel is a nice touch, means that it is built to last. Now these brackets here would catch the log. So there's two sets of teeth here, so that comes off. There you go. So it's got adjustable holes. So depending on the size of the log, you can adjust it. So if you've got a bigger log, probably one of the bigger holes. If you've got a smaller log, yeah, just adjust it to where you need really. Now the teeth are on the bottom here as well, so that's where you catch it. It'll go in between the teeth here and hold it in place. If I do say so myself, she looks pretty good. So, let's get to building it. Alright, now to assemble, it is very, very simple. So all you need to do is just lift up the main bracket, just as we're doing here. So underneath the main frame, there are a couple of wing nuts. Take those off, and then remove the bolts. Now on the side there, you've got your support struts. So grab the support struts, move them up onto the side of the frame, place the bolt back through the hole, make sure it all marries up, and then just with those wing nuts, tighten it back up. Now if you took the tooth bracket off, it's pretty self-explanatory how to put it back on. It just slides in and out of those two rods at the top there. Again, you can adjust what size you want, depending on the size of the log. So to put a log through it, which is why it's called a smart log horse, you just grab the log, push it through the teeth, and then it will catch. The teeth will catch the log and hold it in position. That log is now going nowhere. So feel free to do whatever you want to that log. Saw it, cut it, use it as a seat. I wouldn't recommend that, but, you know, each to their own. Alright, there you have it, folks. Super simple to set up. That's why it's called the Smart Log Horse. Stick the logs through, holds it nice and still. Happy days. Now, you can pick this up from our website, www.chainsawspares.com.au. I will leave a link to it up above here, so you can just click on it, go have a look at it, purchase it if you want, which I do recommend. It's a bloody good product. Now, if you did like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one, and happy cutting.